In this video, a little bit about why businesses should focus on online reputation management. I want to let you into something you might not have thought of before. So you're a business and you're wondering if online reputation management could work for you. Of course, my name's Nader Nadernejad and I'm the owner of Nadernejad Media. I help people fix their online reputations, and of course, owning an online reputation management firm, why wouldn't I want to convince you that you need it for your business? But the reason why I love it so much, and I've done this for my own businesses, is look into this. Somebody's doing a search for your business online. Now, what if you can make the first page of search say anything you wanted? Anything positive about your brand, and not just anything coming from you, but from any outlet. Yahoo Finance could say something great about your brand, or the Associated Press, or Market Watch, or the Ritz Herald, or London Post UK, or any of these outlets. What if you could also at the same time hire influencers from, TV shows like Game of Thrones, or hire, football stars, or hire actors, and you can also post them and embed them on your website and put them in your articles using sites like cameo.com. What if, you see, lots of people don't think of strategies like that because they're unorthodox. They're not your typical, it's very much guerrilla marketing, but they influence people. They really do. And if you're converting in your business and you're making $5,000 of sales and everything on that first page of search is pretty neutral, you know that most of your consumers are going to do a Google search of you. Most. And if you can change the gut reaction when they do a search of your name, of your business name, you're going to change the game for your business. You're going to drive more revenue. Not only that, you're going to build something that's sustainable over the long term and protect yourself from reputation damage in the future. Because when you have these high domain authority sites ranking on Google and other search engines, if negative content comes out, it'll drop. I've worked for, institutions, businesses, organizations that they've had so much content, when even a scandal comes out of huge proportions, it's gone within 4 days. It goes onto the news carousel and then falls right back off to the 5th page. That's where you want to be. You don't want to be in a place of scandal, of course, but you want to have this sort of protection. If you don't, then one thing can hit that first page and cut all your sales off, just like that. So you want to make your business sustainable. You want to use that, right? You have the whole first page narrative. You can say anything you want from anywhere you want. That's a testimony. It's testimonial when it's coming from another side. And you can do that easily with online reputation management. If you want to learn more about it, I consider you watch the other videos. Definitely go and look through the content in terms of burying negative links, publishing articles, how it works. I teach you how to do it. And I'm available for a call. If you're looking to boost your online reputation, I recommend you reach out and I'd be happy to share some tips and tricks with you. My name is Nader Nadernejad. If this video helped you, be sure to comment down below. Let me know what else I can answer, what videos I can make to help you out. And thank you for watching.